Hello all, this is Vignesh here welcoming you all to my channel Educators Inc. The topic for today's discussion is matrices. Now what is matrices? Matrices is nothing, it is a plural form of matrix, which is nothing but the arrangement of numbers, variables or entities in a rectangular table which contains various rows and columns as shown here. Now the elements in the matrix or the number or entities in the matrix is known as the element of the matrix, denoted by small a j I, sorry, small a I j, that is element A of ith row and jth column, ith row and jth column. Now it contains 3 rows and 3 columns, so we can write 3 cross 3. This is nothing but the size of the matrix or the order of the matrix. We can write matrix as 1 0 2 1, this is 2 by 2 matrix, or we can write 1 0 1, this is a row matrix, or we can write 1 1 1 1 1 1, this is a column matrix. Now we shall understand some terminologies related to matrix. The element A is equal, A is the capital A here is denotes the matrix A of I j m cross n. Now m is nothing but the number of rows, n is nothing but the number of columns, and m cross n is nothing but the size or the order of the matrix. Aij is nothing but the element in the ith row and jth column. Ith row and jth column. For example, from the above figure, above matrix, we can say, suppose I want the element A11. A11 is first row, first column, that is element 1. So the numbers or entities in the matrix is known as the elements of the matrix. So we will conclude this video today. In the next video we shall see the types of matrices. Please like, share my video and subscribe to my channel by clicking on bell icon. Thank you.